Welcome to the Loner Ranger Radio Show with Bruce Woodburn, Cross Country Mortgage. Yes, I'm the Loner Ranger right here. 36 years in the mortgage business, 25 years on the air, helping families all over the state of Florida and in all 50 states. As a matter of fact, I got transactions going on right now in Georgia, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, Indiana. I got one in West Virginia. I've got one in Virginia, Indiana, Texas, even I had one in Oklahoma recently. All over. You name it, I got it. Even Hawaii, we can help you with. So why do I tell you that? Because I work for a company that really has very broad reaching arms. We cover a lot of things. We've got every loan program anyone could possibly ever need when it comes to a residential mortgage, a purchase, a refinance, construction to perm loans, renovation loans, reverse mortgages, second mortgages, balloon loans for those that need a balloon, hard money loans. You need a bridge loan. Hey, you need a bridge loan because you want to buy another home before you sell the one you got. I got them. You know why most people don't get bridge loans? Because they got to qualify for three mortgages. The one you got on your current home, if there is one, the bridge money to get you the equity to put down on the other one, and then the new mortgage. My bridge loans don't need that. I don't count the bridge money or your existing house payment against you on my bridge loan. If you're a real estate agent right now and you're listening to that, you're missing out on transactions. If you're a real estate agent and you are not familiar with my self-employed bank statement program and you think you are like familiar with them because you got some mortgage broker person that you've been talking to, you're not. I'm telling you, they're night and day. Night and day. Everything I do is in-house. All you self-employed folks right now listening to me right now, thank you very much. I do believe that you are the heartbeat of America. Self-employed people, it's where it's at, baby. And you know what? You have some advantages and you have some disadvantages. And as a person that's been self-employed most of my life, I know that there are multiple challenges. All your employees think you're the ones making all the money. You're the ones paying all the bills too. So yes, you can make good money self-employed. You can go under self-employed. But here's the reality of it. You have an opportunity to write off a lot of expenses to mitigate your tax consequences. When you do that, you likely will eliminate the opportunity for you to qualify for traditional mortgage financing, like conventional Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, like FHA, like VA, like USDA. Why? Because they require your personal returns and your corporate returns. And they're going to look at a 2-year history and they're going to average your net income, not your gross. So if you made 500 grand, but you only reported that you made $30,000, then that's all the money you made. The bank don't care what you grossed. Only on W-2 wage earners can you use a gross income, not self-employed, not 1099. So we came up with an amazing program to help self-employed people because you deserve it. So go ahead and keep writing everything off. Save the money. Don't pay the taxes that you don't have to pay. Ain't no Democrat telling you should pay higher taxes. I'm a Republican. I'm telling you that you should avoid paying any taxes that you legally can. Legally. Now, look at, I make good money. I pay a lot of taxes, but I'm not looking to pay more than I need to. I'm looking for the same loopholes you're looking for. I'm looking for the same tax credits you're looking for. So keep doing that because I got a program for you. Now, do you have to put a little bit more money down? Yes, you're not going to get 100% financing. You're not going to get 5% down. At best, you could get 10% down. Best. But you can get in where you're not going to get into conventional because you're writing too much off. So I got the program for you. My bank statement program, minimum 10% down. You can have a credit score in the 600s. Put your 10%, 20% down. I'm going to take your last 12 months bank statements. I'm going to add up all the deposits. And then I'm going to give you 50% of that. So if your deposits are 40 grand a month coming into your business, I'm going to give you 20 grand a month in income. Qualify with that. Now, some people may say, yeah, Bruce, but you know what? The interest rate's higher than a conventional loan. Yes, it is a little bit higher. You're right. It is a little bit higher. So let's just do the math on a $500,000 mortgage. Your interest that you're going to pay on a bank statement program annually, the difference of a conventional loan and a bank statement loan is probably about $5,000 a year in interest. Okay, $5,000 a year. You got it. Okay, you don't want to pay the $5,000 a year? Fine. Pay the extra $150,000 to the IRS. Which would you rather pay? 150 grand to the IRS in taxes or $5,000 extra in a mortgage payment that you can write off anyway? Come on, give your head a shake. This is a Loan Arranger. Orlando, 407-706-3313. Tampa Bay, 813-213-4009. My name's Bruce Woodburn. I am the Loan Arranger. If you like this show, I want you to let me know you like the show. Okay. So right now I'm broadcast on Sundays in Orlando, on Saturdays in Orlando with Cleve Lovin on the Loveland team on WDBO, in Tampa Bay on Saturdays on 102.5 The Bone. Okay. I am actually reaching from Cape Coral all the way to about Daytona. Now, if you're a streamer, okay, not a streaker, but a streamer, you can catch me anytime you want. Now, all you old folks like me that don't know how to stream very well and don't have all these apps, I'm just going to tell you, you can pick this up clear, better, and anytime you want to hear it, if you just download either the iHeartRadio app or the Spotify app. If you've already got Spotify on your phone, just search Bruce Woodburn, the Lone Ranger, and you can listen to any of my shows. You can scroll through it. You can fast forward for stuff that might not be interesting to you. But if you want, you can go to iHeartRadio. It's easy. You can listen to me anytime. Just grab your phone, open it up your app. Okay. It's a little thing with an A on it. If you got an iPhone, I don't know what the hell it looks like with an Android. That's your app. And if you have Google, you got to go to Google Store, I guess, in an Android. Okay. Then in the search bar, type in iHeartRadio and download it. It's free. Then open it up. Okay. Then once you open it up, go inside and you can tap the button and it says type the Loan Arranger, not the Lone Ranger, the Loan Arranger. I arrange loans. Remember that? The Loan Arranger Radio. That's how it's labeled in there. And when you do that, you're going to see all my shows. You can listen to any one of them you want. Or you can go to my YouTube channel at Bruce Woodburn, the Loan Arranger. Okay. Check that out. You can listen to all my shows. You got tutorials on every loan program. You got conventional, FHA, VA, construction loans, renovation loans, reverse mortgages. I've done tutorials. I've done interviews for each one of them so you have a clear understanding of them. If you are a real estate agent listening to this right now, I am doing a CE class for your CE credits on May 7th on reverse mortgages. If you're in the insurance industry, you can also get your CE credits for that. You need to go to my website at webringyouhome.com and register for the CE event on May 7th. It is limited seats. It's going to be in Winter Park, Florida. Okay. You want to go to that? Do it. I'm going to do another one on non-QM products, bank statement loans, DSCRs, asset depletion, foreign nationals, all kinds of different programs that aren't normal for you. And if you're a real estate agent and you don't understand these programs, you're missing out on opportunities to help more buyers because there's tons of people that need those type of loans. And I got them right here and I don't broker them. They're all in-house. In Tampa, 813-213-4009. If you like my show, I want you to tell me about it. I want you to text me at either one of them and tell me which show you listen to, when you're listening to me, and tell me what you like about it. Because I'm considering making a few adjustments, not to Tampa, but maybe to Orlando. But I need to know, because if I don't hear from you, because you got to remember, if I'm on Saturday and Sunday, I'm not sure when you're listening to me. Okay. Because you guys get confused, just like me. I'm confused. Okay. But if you listen to me Sunday, tell me I listen to you on Sundays. If you listen to me on Saturday, tell me you listen to me on Saturday. If you listen to them on both days, tell me you listen to me on both days. I want to know so I can gauge it because I'm thinking about making a change on my Orlando time. So let me know as soon as possible so I can either make that change or not make that change based on what you, my listeners, want. What do you like about this show? What is it that you care about? Why do you listen to me? I want to be honest with you. Here, why do you listen to me? I hope you do because maybe I'm entertaining. I'm not intentionally being entertaining. I'm just a goofball that tends to be, I don't know, I'm a goofball. That's all. I'm a 10th grade dropout. Okay. I've made mistakes in my life, but here's the deal. I help people every day create wealth. I've created a great deal of wealth for myself and my family. I've helped make millionaires. Okay. I don't ever say I made millionaires because you have to make it on your own, but I can guide you in the right direction. Why would you take advice from a 10th grade dropout? There's plenty of people out there that have master's degree in finance and all kinds of things. Okay. Here's why, because they have something to sell you. I don't. I don't have anything to sell you. So why would you take advice from me? Now, I'm not going to give you stock advice. I'm not going to tell you what accounts to open, but I can place you in touch with the people that do. Now, I got a financial planner. Now, he's got an advantage to sell me certain plans, right? So I have a independent planner that tells me, don't do that one. He's making money on that one. Do this, do that, do this, put your money over here, do that. So I have people that advise me for that. Do you have people that advise you for that? Because generally, there's something in it for somebody. So I bring all this to the table. I don't make any money on that. It's like my real estate referral program, the Loan Arranger Real Estate Rebate Program. I don't do that. I don't make one red cent on that. You know who makes money on it? You do. You know who else benefits from it? You do. You know why? Because you're not picking great real estate agents, guys. You're not picking them. They're not that great. Believe me, you think they're great because they're nice and they put you on a little search in the MLS and it finds the houses that you like. Then they go out and they negotiate for you. Negotiate's not really the word I would use. I would say place orders. And the problem is they don't know how to negotiate. My name's Bruce Woodburn. I'm the Loan Arranger. I'm going to tell you, you're leaving money on the table. You come to a lender like me, you'll always get a great mortgage at a great price. I'm direct. I'm in all 50 states. I'm one of the top producers in the entire country. I'm going to shoot straight with you. I'm going to tell you if I like it, I don't like it. Straight shooter. That's what I'm going to do. I want you to make sure that you always know you can reach me. 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009. All my friends at the bone, I appreciate you very much. Now, I want to talk to all my listeners in my Orlando market right now on WDBO. It's Sunday. I want you to know that my last show on this station on Sunday, I'll still keep Saturday with Cleve. My last show is May 17th. Okay. Now, why did I cut that show out? I don't get as many calls from that show as I do from Saturday and from the bone. But if you listen to that show and it's really of interest to you and you think I should keep it, you need to let me know today. You need to text me or call me at 407-706-3313 and say, you know what, Bruce, I'm fine if you just on Saturday. I'm good with that. Or I really like listening to Sunday, and that's the only time I got to listen to you, and I listen to you because of this. Tell me that, and I'll make some adjustments. But I need to know because right now I don't see the numbers coming in from Sunday like I do on Saturday. So I need to know from you what you want. I'm asking for your help. 407-706-3313 or WeBringYouHome.com. My name's Bruce Woodburn. We're going to talk a little bit more about the market, what's going on with interest rates, what's happening, where are the opportunities based on this war that we're going through, and how can you make money in this market today? I'm doing it. Can you do it? I'll be back in 5. Do not go anywhere, please.